Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing a game called Greenville here. So Greenville is like a very cool roleplay game which has a lot of detail in it, and it is flopping amazing, which yeah. So let's head in the game and let's do it. Let's do this, boy. So if you guys are enjoying all my videos, please make sure and like and subscribe, or else you'll become this noob over here, and he is not having the nicest day, right? So we're in Greenville right now, and it looks like we're in Texas. I don't know when I want to do a Texas voice, kind of like a Western voice. I apologize for those people which come from the Western side here. Everything is still lagging at my my. Alright, that's good. And there's gonna be wait, you know. We have to wait. We have to wait. We have to wait. We're gonna do that. Alright. Yeah, I'm just doing some more stuff, guys, because you guys really love all my videos, and I mean, all of you guys. I mean, if you're subscribed to me, and like if more than 50 people watch this video, then those 50 people have to subscribe. Like, please, guys, come on. I'm begging you. But you know what? So it's alright if you don't subscribe. It's it happens sometimes, you know. And yeah, we're just gonna. Anyways, I hear honking and stuff in the game, and that does not sound good. And anyways, we are going to be playing in Greenville. I am so hyped up for in this game, man, right now. What happened to that car over there? Yellow car. Flat airport fares 25 pence for a mile. Alright. Which one do I get? The Bullhorn Terminator, Bullhorn Prancer, or the Western Sergio? I'm going to I can't say Terminator or whatever. That Terminator where you like terminate people and you kill people and you destroy people. My car's still loading. Everything's still loading in the game, and today is a pretty special day, I guess. I'm not gonna do any of the music because I'm scared that it will be copyrighted and stuff. So yeah. Oh my god, everything's still loading. There she is. There's the beautiful yeah. And I have a lot of stuff on my head right there, and as you guys can see, yeah, I have a lot of stuff. I have a ghost. I have a koala. What else do I have to? You're gonna drive around the city, yeah. Oh, I crashed in the sun, yeah. It's alright, cause I think it's a stop sign. Oh, there's no stops in these games. Oh, there's another car on the other side. Anyways, I'm gonna get some gas, or should I not? That's right, we're half tank it. We'll make it. We're gonna roam around and stuff, you know. And you know. Oh, everybody will have to go under 70 miles per hour. That should be right. We're going good. Alright, where do we go now? I do have a phone. I'll toggle the phone real quick. Why is it in the middle of my screen? Alright, the phone didn't. I'm gonna rev up. Vroom. 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 Oh, my phone came. And navigation, I want to go to the gas station, car wash. Is our car dirty? I mean, there's a rain, so it shouldn't be dirty. I'm just gonna see Greenville, fan store, clothing, finance and services, food. Should we go to Jimbo's? Food, restaurant, police. There's a police station? Wait. There's actually a police station? Alright. We have to go this way. There we go. Apparently there's a gas station in this game. I mean a police station. And it's not this turn, there's another turn over here, I guess. That's right, it's right over here. Don't need to do an indicator or anything, right? We can't cross on this side, I guess, no. There's a double straight line. We're like in the countryside right now, right, guys? If you guys really enjoy playing these games, or like if you want, if you want to play these games, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll friend you, or you can just comment what's your username, and I will friend you on Roblox, or even on Discord if you have Discord, so like we can chat together, play together. Okay, dang. This police station is very far away. Right now, like in the countryside, I don't even know what's going on right now, but I guess we have to slow down here because there's like a turn here. I think we have to turn over here, right? It is the right place. I think, right? Yeah. I don't know what. I have to go this way. Well, here I have to stand on this side, right? Is it this side? I don't know which side I'll have to stay on the other side. Oops. I'll get this house, don't worry. Alright, actually, this game is very cool. I really like it so far. Oh, there's a wind turbine, there's a barn. Well, that's cool. Yes. I'm staying on my side just in case there's like police going on here. Like police chases, or I don't think I've ever came to this area of Greenville before. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. I really like it a lot. Alright, where is this police? I think the police station is right over here. Yeah, I think there's a police station, right? Yeah. WSP is the police station. Can we become a police department person? That's my question. But can I even like park here just over the? I'm gonna go in the parking area just in case, because I think there's only the staff, like the police and stuff. I don't want to like get arrested for like parking on their own private property, I guess. Let's switch off my car and I'm gonna get out. And yeah, I'll just go in this. Someone just said I'm gonna rob this burger shop. Huh. Unless I become a police officer, and I won't be able to rob the burger shop. But alright, I'm gonna check how much more I have. Yeah, we have plenty. Alright, we are. Ooh.